YouTube Shorts right now is the same as TikTok was 4 years ago. If you created 5 videos a day right from the beginning on TikTok in 2018, by now you would have gained millions of followers. And right now, YouTube Shorts platform is the next best thing, and that's why it is underappreciated. People are really slow in terms of adopting new platforms from the start. Only few people are using this leverage, and if you make content on Shorts platform, it is really easy to get unlimited attention. No matter what kind of content you are making, you should post 1 to 5 times a day on YouTube Shorts, so the algorithm recognizes you and pushes your videos out to millions of people watching. Few things you should do to increase the watch time and get more views on YouTube Shorts. Number 1. Make engaging content. Always start your videos without introducing yourself or making any intro. You should just start talking and get to the point in the first sentence. Number 2. Never upload your old TikTok videos with a TikTok watermark. There is a big chance YouTube algorithm can recognize this, and you definitely won't get far with your channel, as TikTok is the biggest competitor to YouTube Shorts. Number 3. Use captions in all of your videos. Doesn't matter how you caption your videos, but you should always use text so people start reading and engaging with your content right away. There is a study which shows that around 80% of people are watching mobile videos without sound, so captions is the one thing you should always incorporate. Number 4. Making content about something you are interested in. This is probably the most important advice, because there will be people making content about things that you want to make as well, and if you ain't passionate about it, someone will be, and he will outwork you. So definitely keep this in mind, and if you want to do this long term and be successful. If you really want to start with YouTube Shorts but have zero ideas what to upload, here are 15 easy topics you could create content around. Before and after videos for a specific products or brands. Interesting new products with great benefits. Updates and trends. Mini tutorials and life hacks. Trending memes, interesting world facts, motivational content, food content, workout content, investing and finance content, reviewing other people's videos, unboxing videos, news and recent events, healthy lifestyle content. In the next video, I will tell you how to make money and monetize your YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching.